This video shows you how to find lost and incomplete records in REA. REA automatically time and date stamps each record as it's added to the system and as it's changed. The fields are restricted by the system so that users can't modify them manually. You can sort your tables and query them by those fields, which makes it easy to get records that no one has modified in a long time. First, open the table you want to update. I'll open Contacts. Next, click the Sort drop-down combo box at the top of the window. Click Sort. Clear the selected window by clicking the double back arrow. In the list of fields, scroll down to Date Modified and double-click it. That should put the field in the selected window. You can select any other field you want after it, but the important one is Date Modified. If you think you'll use this sort a lot, you can click the Save button to save it in the list of sorts. Click Save, give it a name, and click OK. Then click OK to set your sort order. To go to the first record, click the Go to Beginning arrow. Since your database is sorted by Date Modified, the first record will be the one you have not modified in a long time, and the last record will be something that was modified just recently. You can start updating the records, and as you make a change to the record and save the changes, REA will automatically update the Date Modified field for you and show it at the bottom of the window along with your ID so everyone knows when and who last modified the record. You can use this same method to find records that were created in the system by changing the field to Date Created. You can also query by both of these fields. Click the Query drop-down combo and choose Query. Set the field to Date Created or Date Modified. Select your operator and type in the dates you want. Then click OK. That will return the records that were created or modified in that date range. Mixing the query and sort functions together, you can really hone in on specific records to update in your system. Another query I like to use is the empty query. For example, we like to have the email address for every client. So I right-click in the field I want to query, in this case it's email address, and choose Query. For the operator I choose isEmpty, and then click OK. That returns all the records in my database that don't have an email address, and I can start updating them. The isEmpty query works for every field in your database, so you might try a query for email, phone, cell, fax, and address are all empty, meaning you have no way to contact the client, and then get rid of those records. You could export them all to Excel first if you wanted, just to archive them. Basically, using the isEmpty query along with Date Modified, you can get rid of a lot of waste in your database that's just sitting around collecting dust and make it difficult to get to the money-generating records in your system. This concludes the video on finding lost and incomplete records in REA. For more information, please watch the videos, join the live webinars, and read the help file and REA manual, all located under the Help menu in REA.